gentleman. Great little town you got here. First time in these parts. You can see right away it's real friendly here. Any one of you interested in selling a few horses? We're headed north. There's work waiting for us up there, but we can't walk all the way. Most of our horses met with accidents. Kept getting dizzy from the heat. So I said, call a halt. So here we are.
Stop throwing darts, Evan.
Come on, put them down. Let's see what you got.
No, first put up some money.
Ain't no lack of horse meat here. Just that they cost money.
No problem there, mister. We earned ourselves a lot of money, and we're prepared to pay. Whiskey all around.
You heard him.
The best.
From the look of you, you had yourself a long walk.
It's worth a long walk to find yourself work to do, if it pays well.
It's real nice to meet some people who work like you, mister.
It's enough to take one good look at you. You can see from your expression that you're hardworking and honest.
You're all covered in white dust. I guess you must have crossed the desert.
You took the toughest way to get to my old hometown, huh?
Best way for you, eh? Now you can sell your horses.
You talk like a businessman.
Well, how about it? We ain't got time to lose.
I told you, horses cost money here.
This is better than money. That's what I'll pay you with.
Well, how many horses do you have to have?
9.
You got more of this to pay for the rest?
Sure.
I'll do my best to get them for you.
Hey, Richie, why don't you play some music for our guests, huh? Laurie! Laurie! What are you waiting for? Come on down. We got gentlemen here to be entertained. Let them hear one of your songs.
My town is so nice. My town, my town. There ain't no other on the mountain.
How about
Pretty
that?
girl. Real pretty.
A pretty voice, too.
Uh-huh.
I want to tell you, stranger, 'cause you're new on the scene. I want to tell you that this town is the best in the land. My